Hi, this video is for my Yardman 3-in-1 mower. I believe I paid $500 for it, and that was about 10 or 11 years ago, I think. It's got a Briggs Stratton overhead valve. I believe it's 6 3/4 horse, and I haven't ran it for about 2 weeks now, and it's a good Yardman. It's got it can be side discharge, mulch, or bag. It's got this one lever to control all the wheels right here. It's got easy empty bag. It's got a 6-speed transmission, and of course here's the drive. And I believe this is a model 979. And we actually have 2 of them, but I use the other one just for parts now because it's pretty far gone. And this one actually has kind of a loose carburetor because one of the bolts that holds the air cleaner on is the threads are stripped, so I can't tighten it, and so I have to find a bolt that'll fit. And I actually had to change the pull cord, or actually had to just fix it not too long ago, and I forgot what I did with the handle, so I just made one out of a riser, and it works pretty good. And it's actually got a pretty good gas leak too right down there, so well, let's see if it'll start, because it's got that loose carb. I gotta prime it quite a bit. Alright, let's see. I forgot to put my tie on here. Okay, there we go. Make it easy for me to start. Almost. There it goes. Pretty fast too. Of course, that's 6 gear. That's 1. Well, that's my Yardman. As I said, I believe it's model 979. See you next time.